Okay, write a Python program which will generate student marks report by accepting student number, name. Student number means roll number, you can say. Student roll number, name, marks, three subject. So you can take five subjects, four subject, anything, हाँ. हम सिर्फ थ्री सब्जेक्ट ले रहे हैं इसे. ओके, सो पांच सब्जेक्ट लेने में कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है, आप ले सकते हो. सी प्लस प्लस ऐसे कुछ नाम दे रहे हैं आप, सी प्लस प्लस एंड पाइथन. ठीक है, सी प्लस प्लस और पाइथन तीन सब्जेक्ट लेना है, उसमें से मार्क्स निकालना है. ओके, सो सी हियर. So first you need to calculate the total marks. B, calculate the percentage of marks. Okay, next. Then want to print a grade. The following condition. Print the grade based on the following condition. Based on the following conditions. So what are these following conditions? Distinction print करना है. Print the distinction. Print the distinctions. अगर total marks 250 से लेके 300 के बीच में है तो ओके. सो थ्री सब्जेक्ट हम ले रहे हैं तो 100 हो जाएंगे. ऐसे भी ले सकते हो या फिर परसेंटेज के हिसाब से भी ले सकते हो. ठीक है, देखो वो 250 डिवाइडेड बाय 300 कितना आ गया, 80. सो दैट इज डिपेंडेंट. ओके, डिस्टिंक्शन कैलकुलेट करना है, सो इसके हिसाब से कैलकुलेट करना है टोटल मार्क्स के हिसाब से. सो इनके ऊपर मार्क्स होंगे तो हम बोलेंगे कि डिस्टिंक्शन में है. या फिर यू कैन डू बाय यूजिंग, इसे अपन इससे भी कर सकते, क्या बोलते हैं, परसेंटेज लेके भी आप कर सकते हो. ठीक है, मार्क्स के हिसाब से कर सकते हो आप, परसेंटेज के हिसाब से भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन अगर ये आपको गिवन है प्रोग्राम में तो इसके हिसाब से ही करो. ठीक है, देन दीज आर गिवन थिंग्स आई एम गिविंग यू हियर. फर्स्ट ऑफ डिवीजन प्रिंट करना है अगर टोटल मार्क्स that lies between the 200 and 249 के बीच में अगर होंगे, so you can give there first division, second division if the marks is lies between this. टोटल मार्क्स, लेकिन कंडीशन इज ऑलवेज देयर कि एक आधी सब्जेक्ट में फेल होता है सब स्टूडेंट और रिजल्ट फेल्ड फेल्ड आना चाहिए. In the third division, if the marks total marks can lies between 149. Fifth one, okay, and the display and display and display the student marks report with all details. Okay, now so this is our program. So everything is given. You can take the any three subject, three marks for the subject, enter this marks, find out this total, calculate the percentage, and find the division, and print all the details of student. Now, so for this purpose, we are taking student number. Okay, roll number. You can say student roll number. First of all, we are going to take the student roll number. Student Aryan, yes Aryan, student roll number is equal to student roll number must be integer. Okay, so yes, so here we can write here enter the valid student roll number, excuse me, student roll number. और रोल नंबर की रेंज हम देते हैं, वो रोल नंबर जो है वो चाहिए 1 से लेके 200 के ही बीच में, उसके ऊपर नहीं, ऐसा हम वैलिडेशन दे रहे हैं. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट हियर अगर रोल नंबर जो है वो निगेटिव नहीं होना चाहिए, जीरो नहीं होना चाहिए और 200 के ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए. सो यू मस्ट हैव टू गिव दैट कंडीशन फर्स्ट. ओके, दैट शुड नॉट बी एक्सेप्टेड. जीरो एक्सेप्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, माइनस एक्सेप्ट नहीं होना चाहिए और 200 के ऊपर एक्सेप्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. गिव द वैलिडेशन देन. ओके, इफ यस आर एन इज इक्वल टू greater than is equal to 1. Okay, accepted. Greater than is equal to 1 and less than is equal to what? Student roll number less than is equal to 200. Okay, now this condition is okay. ओके, स्टूडेंट का रोल नंबर एक से नीचे नहीं होना चाहिए और 200 के ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, दैट इज वैलिड. देन accept the student name. Okay, this is for accept student roll number. Okay, now we need to accept student name. ओके, स्टूडेंट नेम लेना है तो यस नेम में लेता हूँ उसके लिए वेरिएबल, एंड बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट इट इज़ str. So you can click here input directly. Yes, no need to typecast here. Enter the name of student. Okay, and right here enter the student name. Now you can accept the marks of 3 subjects. Okay, so here we can write accept the marks of first subject of C। और हमको पता है कि मार्क्स कैसे होने चाहिए, 0 to 100 तक एक्सेस होनी चाहिए, 100 के ऊपर नहीं जानी चाहिए। ठीक है, क्योंकि हमारा आउट ऑफ जो है 100 ही है, उसके ऊपर नहीं मिलनी चाहिए, तो उसके लिए भी हमको कंडीशंस लगानी है। ओके, सो देन यू कैन यूज हियर marks of C. So I am using here CM. Okay, CM for the marks of C. So do the typecast here integer, marks हमेशा integer में रहेंगे, और input enter these marks. Okay, so I enter the valid marks in C. Okay, C is a subject name. Enter the valid marks in C, and you can give the range 0 to 100 is the range. In between you have to mention. Okay, इसके अगर ऊपर रहे, नाउ वी नीड टू डू द वैलिडेशन। 0 के नीचे नहीं चाहिए, माइनस नहीं चाहिए मार्क्स, और 100 के ऊपर नहीं चाहिए। ठीक है, so then if you then we are going to use this if condition validation purpose. Okay, now do the here validation marks CM C marks greater than is equal to what, 0, and less than is equal to what, 100. Okay, now this is okay. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं ये? Okay, this is okay. Condition validation, the same thing you can do for the next subject. For this all subject you can say, right? This is for first subject, this is for second, this is for third subject. Okay, so here I am writing C++, तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे CPPM CPPM CPPM। यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे पाइथन, और P यहाँ पे हम नाम देंगे वेरिएबल को PYM PYM PYM। Okay, now I want to print a something I want to print, suppose. So I want to display this data, display the student detail first, then step by step I are going to do the subject here. Okay, student details, displaying the student marks detail. Okay, so I want to print here, print something. Okay, this one, and 50 times. So print, use your \t for good looking. Student marks report. Okay. Yes. So now print everything step by step. Print, first of all, what you are going to print here? Student roll number. Student roll number. Okay, so dot format of yes आर्यन. क्या नाम लिखा? यस आर्यन. ओके, देन कॉपी पेस्ट स्टूडेंट नेम. Excuse me. Student name, that is what? Yes name. Okay, now I am to print student marks in various subject, C, C++ and Python. Student marks in C. Okay, so we can write here CM. Student marks in C++, CPP, PYM. Okay, so I want to print this data first. Okay, so let us check and execute first. What is the name of this file? Is std marksheet. Okay, Python std marksheet.py. So here is this problem, indentation problem, indentation block in the yes name, line number 17. Line number 17, where is this indentation problem? Okay, here. So that means some incomplete. Okay, So now see here, enter the student roll number. Suppose I am entering here -1. Enter the marks of valid marks. Okay, invalid marks I am entering. So something is different. You are getting output. Okay. If see, okay. So do the validation purpose first. So that's why we are using here while true. While true. Okay. Then if in this, then accept the student. Okay. Student name. Then you can break. Okay. Then accept marks. Again you can use here while loop. While this condition is true, then go for the next one. Then again break this. Okay. Then again here is the while. Okay. Then break. Again use here while true. Then break. Okay. किसमें if ओके नेम में नेम हो गया ना पूरा ये इसमें हम ब्रेक कर रहे हैं आफ्टर द नेम आफ्टर द नेम अच्छा 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 यस 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 हियर इंडेंटेशन इज देयर राइट यहाँ पे ओके देन हियर okay so we not doing anything right now. Okay, so just we are going to print this one first, then we are going to perform the logical things. Enter the roll number. Suppose I am entering -1. Okay, so again it is showing you enter the valid. जब तक आप वैलिड नहीं डालेंगे तब तक वो प्रोग्राम एंड नहीं होगा और आपको बार बार पूछते रहेगा. ठीक है, आई एम एंटरिंग 201, so it's not a valid. Okay, -101 it's not a valid. 102 it's a valid. Okay, now enter the name, enter the student name, enter the valid marks in C minus something. No. 102. No. Yes, are you understanding this one now? -56. 0 accepted. Okay, 0 will be accepted. 0 to 100. CK marks 50 likhe. Okay, now it is accepted and it is go to the next one, that is a C++. Okay, minus something not accepted, minus something not accepted, more than 100 not accepted. Okay, that is lies between the 0 and 100. And Python minus something not accepted, 102 not accepted, minus 0 not accepted, 0 accepted. Okay, then student marks report is displaying here. Student roll number is this, student name is this. Okay, student marks in C++ and Python is this. Okay, up to here is clear. Now we want to do the now logical part, calculation purpose. Calculation part we need to write. Up to here our conditions are okay. Roll number is this, name is something, marks is 1 1 1. Okay, student roll number, student name. Okay, this is okay. Now do again one thing. So अगर स्टूडेंट कोई भी एक आधी सब्जेक्ट में बिलो 40 मार्क्स आते हैं तो वो फेल होता है. So we have to implement this condition now. Okay, how to use? First of all you need to calculate the total marks. Okay, यहाँ तक हमने marks लिए हैं. Now see here, do something here. So calculate the total marks and percentage. Total marks and percentage. So total marks is equal to, क्या है फॉर्मूला टोटल मार्क्स, सबके साथ एडिशन, सी के मार्क्स प्लस सी पी पी मार्क्स प्लस एम पी वाई एम सी पी पी एम और सी एम. ओके, now this is the total ones. The percentage, how we can calculate? Percentage is equal to total marks divided by total marks divided by 300 and into 100, right? So in this Python we'll get integer quotient, here a float quotient will get, right? This is a perfect one. C++ is not possible. Okay, float quotient मिलता है हमको, so perfect point में आंसर आता है. ठीक है, now want to print here grade. First of all I want to print here a student total marks. Okay, so print here student total marks. Student total marks. Recently we have calculated the format of total marks. Okay, now we can also print percentage of the student. Then we'll going to print a grade. Student percentage of student percentage of marks, or simply you can write student percentage. Dot format of percentage. ओके, एक्सक्यूज मी, फॉर्मेट का स्पेलिंग गलत हो गया यहाँ पे। ओके, स्टूडेंट परसेंटेज ऑफ मार्क्स, पी आर लिखा है ना, पी ई आर। ओके, सो प्रिंट दिस वन फर्स्ट। रोल नंबर इज 101, 40, 40, 40। Student marks report. These are the details. Student total marks is this. Student percentage of marks is 40. Correct. Okay. Enter once again another percentage. Now I want to print. Okay, that is also okay. So are getting perfect percentage or not? What is that? 23 plus 45 plus 67 divided by 300. How much? Into 100, 45. Perfect. Okay, you are getting the perfect percentage. Now we want to print report. Okay, division of student. So division of student you need to print here. So how can identify student is pass or fail? Okay, so if student getting the less than 40 marks, see here 23 I have entered and the total marks is calculated and percent is also calculated. So I want to print a division is fail division. He is a fail. Okay, because if any of the subject is fail below 40 mark, that is he is fail. Okay, so implement this one once again. Go to the here. Now print the division grades. Grades for student. Okay, so if तो एक ही कंडीशन में हम लिखेंगे, जैसे हम लिखेंगे कि सी एम लेस देन 40, मतलब सी के मार्क्स अगर 14 से लेस है, और ऑपरेटर, ठीक है, और सी पी पी इज लेस देन 40। क्या लिया है हमने? वेरिएबल नेम सी पी पी एम लिया है ना, सी पी पी एम, सी पी पी एम मार्क्स, सी पी पी मार्क्स लेस देन 40, और इन कोई भी सब्जेक्ट में से 40 के नीचे मार्क्स मिले तो वो फेल है। पी वाई एम लेस देन 40। Okay, means student is fail. Okay, so we are going to give here the grade is equal to fail. Okay, below 40 means fail, right? Then else check the another conditions. So next one is क्या है कि distinction print करना है जब total marks that lies between the 250 and 300. Okay, so that condition which are already given here. So use these conditions now, 250 and 300. If total marks, by using the total marks, you can check the division, or you can print the division using the percentage also, no problem. Total marks greater than is equal to 250 and operator, and when the both the condition is true, then output will become a 2. And total marks less than is equal to 300. So we can print here grade is equal to, what is that grade? Distinction. Distinction. Okay. Else, then we can use another if else. So we can use here, what condition we are going to use? ELIF. Okay, else if. Copy paste here. So what is the next condition? 249. Distinction. First, 150 less than is equal to 249. Next one is what? 200 to 249. 200 to 249 first. 150 to 199. That is what second. And 120. 122. 149. Okay, so that is what third. Okay, now once again execute. Now our program is completed. So enter the valid roll number. Suppose I am entering invalid. It's a invalid. Okay. About 200. It's invalid. Now perfect roll number. Student name. No validation is here for name. Then marks. Suppose it's I am 45, and here is 20, and here is 45. Okay. Now see here. The student percentage of marks is this. Okay, and grade is not printed, so we print for grade also. What is the result? Student result not printed. Grade means student fail or not. Print grade \t. स्टूडेंट ग्रेड फेल होता है, परसेंटेज शो होता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। एग्जामिनेशन that is pass or fail. Dot format of grade. Okay, now so this is roll number, name, mark something. Okay, valid marks. Okay, this is valid, and you are having 91, 22. Okay, एक सब्जेक्ट में फेल है 23 में. Now see here, percent is getting proper. The grade in examination, that is what fail, because the student is fail one of the subject, then it will display the result is fail. Okay, this is a percentage. Then here percentage में, okay, that is okay. PRS you can take there, no problem. Okay, so can take the screenshot.